I'm going to talk to you about changing your printer's ink cartridges. When your printer runs low on ink, you might find it necessary to change the cartridge with a new one bought from the store or ordered from your manufacturer online. To remove an old ink cartridge, first make sure you've identified the proper cartridge to be removed through System Utilities. Next, you want to open the lid of your printer. Usually it's very simple. Don't force it if it doesn't feel like it's going to open. Make sure that there's not a catch, a little button or release that might have to be pressed first. When removing an ink cartridge, usually there's just a little button next to the cartridge that will allow you to pop the cartridge out of place. Since this one's actually still got ink in it, we don't need to replace it, but if it were empty, you would be able to tell mostly, in cartridges like this, you can see the level of ink left. This one's still relatively good, so we're going to put it back in. And inserting a cartridge, either reinserting one or putting in a new one, is fairly simple. Just slide it into the previous cartridge's slot and insert. And this printer indicates that the cartridge has been successfully inserted by blinking. And you could also hear that little snap sound when the cartridge is inserted. So once you've put it in, just close the cover and wait for the printer to recognize the new cartridge, and it should be set.